Lowe's, and I decided to walk all the way to the back because I was looking for clearance before I started looking in the front. And look, they have a whole new rack that just came in, and oh my gosh, I'm so frustrated. Oh wow, it's okay. I just bought this on Instagram. Wow. But it's okay because I got it for the same price. But this one has a lot of heads. This is a variegated campfire. It looks just like campfire. It's a crashless species, but yeah, it is a variegated campfire. Wow, wow, wow. Look, there's several of them. I can't believe it. This is $5, but this is what I ordered already online, so I'm going to leave it right there. I can't believe it. Look at that beautiful Ionian over here. They have some goodies on here. Yeah, I was hoping to see if I would find, I like this one. Oh my gosh, I like this one. Oh, so I need to mention, do you guys remember when I was visiting my sister and I bought the cactus that had the 3? I need to bring it back. Hopefully I show it to you guys, but it has scales really bad. And I called, and reported that because lately I've been seeing scales on some of their plants. So I reported that. I'm definitely taking this with me. The variegated, it's so pretty. And one of these because I love it. I need more of the Mimicry. I want to make a little weirdo little set, so I need to do that. So I'm gonna bring that back anyways. And yeah, that you keep your receipt and you can bring it back, no problem. So yeah, they have lots of goodies. I wish I could see up here, and I can't see up there. Let me see what I can do. But anyways, look at all this stuff. So and they have a variegated jade. I think this is some type of jade. It's so pretty. Look at that. Super lots of unique plants that you normally don't see constantly. Like lately they have so many variegations. This one too, it's a variegated one, and that's tiger's jaw. Don't normally see that. And the variegated jade, the variegated campfire. So that's pretty cool. This one is super beautiful. What is this? I can't get it out. Let's see what this is. Mammillaria mystax. That is so pretty. Look at all these. It has a beautiful crown. A beautiful crown. It looks like I don't know what that white thing is. So I brought one down. And wow, look at this. This one is, oh my gosh, this is Ionian Irish bouquet. They're little mini Ionians. That is so cute. And let me see this one. This is the blue elf. Those are so nice. What is this one? Sedum Firestorm, about to flower. So pretty. Is this the same thing as the big one? Let's see. Yep, it's the same as the big one that I just showed you guys. And this is what I like, where they have in a smaller option, so that you can buy it and it will cost you less. This one's really pretty as well. This is Sedum Salsa. Really nice. Okay, let me see if I think all those up there are going to be the same. Maybe one tray is different. Let me reach it. There we go, guys. More variegation. They have variegated bear's claw. Look at this one, how packed it is, this little one. Look at how much it has. Oh, I already have one, but it's so packed, I might have to get it. It's so cute. That one, and then look at this, which I already have as well. This is the euphorbia. I think this is the corn on the cob, but like a bunch of little babies, and that's pretty cool looking. And then more of the ones that you guys seen before. So wow, I really like this. They have lots of nice variety here that you don't normally find on a regular basis. And this is one that I've been wanting but I never get it because it has the flower, and the flower is gonna mess up the cactus, so I don't get it. Until I find a nice one without a flower, I'm not gonna get it. But yep, there's like so much I want to get here. I don't know what to do. Oh look, is this the blue elf? I love the blue elf. Let me see if this is the blue elf. No, this is aloe Wamsy blue. I love these different aloes. They're so pretty. Very pretty. OMG guys, I hope that you can go and find these beauties. And I also don't have one of these, but I don't know. I don't know if I'm gonna wait because there's just too many things that I want. So now I'm here in the beginning of the store, and here are all their hanging, their trailing ones. Lots of banana plants and fish hook. And then there's one donkey's tail. And then you have more of the weirdos. Let's call them weirdos. That'll be just easy to group them. That's how they group them in the website. See, they call them weirdos. More, look at this one. So pretty and soft. I love this one. Can this be considered as a pet, right? Because it's soft, it grows. You can pet it. Pet. I think that's a variegated jade over there. Oh, yeah, sunset jade. That's really pretty. Look at this one. That's a unique find right there. In my opinion, you don't always see these type of cactus here. And this one too. That one's pretty cool. Yeah, look at this one. So pretty. And they don't have any flowers, so that's cool. This is, I think, the old lady. Yeah, Peruvian old lady, which I have one. Oh, look at all the buds on this one. Look at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I'm sure there's more on the other side of the cactus that I can't see. That's pretty cool. So, oh, look at the cute domino. I might get a new domino because my domino's all looking really bad with the scales, and then I messed it up. It's very crisp. That's cool. Very crisp. I wonder, does this have a name? I don't think this one has a name. Nope, it doesn't have a name. Okay, let me go to the other side. Let's see, look at these baskets. We've already seen these before. Look at this black prince. Looking really nice. So see, when I tell you guys that I'm like, oh, I'm disappointed, I wasn't wowed, this is what I want to see. You saw all that variety that I just showed you. That is cool to see. At your local big box stores. Like, you want to see a variety of different plants that you haven't seen in like ever. So that's cool. Peace. I'm gonna go and then I'll catch up with you guys later. Oh, this is beautiful. Look at that, that's beautiful. Anyways, see you later. I'm back home. I'm in the front of the house, so lots of noise, cars passing by. Anyways, just wanted to show you guys what I got. To me, this is a pretty big haul. Well, because it adds up pretty quickly, the pricing. So this is what I got. I was so impressed with Lowe's with their plants that they just got in, so that was really nice. So a Horthia species, which is I think it's a variegated zebra plant. It looks just like the zebra plant, but variegated. I think it would be cool to plant one side by side. I don't know, I do have one, but it's already in a pot. Maybe I can switch out the plant, maybe put them. But I also wanted to probably put this in the arrangement that I'm planning on making with the weirdos. This one reminds me so much of the baby toes. I can't remember the name of this. I think It has a similar name, but I don't know. But it's part of the Mimicry family. Really, really pretty. Look at the texture on that. So pretty. And yeah, it's good to get the plants as soon as they get them in, you know. And then this Tiger's Jaw Variegated. Very nice. And I've been eyeballing this one for a while. Every time you guys see me see it, I make a comment about it. It's a Crassula platyphylla, or no, platyphylla. I don't know. You know these names, they're hard. And then Teddy Bears Pom, which I do have one, but I don't have one that looks this full. So I really like it. These can get leggy if they don't get enough sun. And it does have a little red in the tips, and I've seen pictures where this red really comes, gets darker, I'm assuming with the sun. And then this beautiful mini Ionian bush. I've never seen this before. Ionian Irish bouquet. It's a bouquet. And I also got a domino cactus with 4 buds that are about to flower soon. And then this type of, what is it? Is it a jade or crassula? Yeah, it's a type of crassula. So pretty with the variegated colors. I'm pretty sure that with more sun, those colors probably pop out even more. So I got this when I was at Lakeland. You guys saw it. So pretty. Doing well. But the one that's not doing well is this one right here. Look at all that black stuff. It's hard, it's not soft, and I believe it's a type of like scale. So yeah, and it's spreading. So I'll be taking this back. The other one had it as well. Both of them had. Let me see. I don't know where it is. I'll have to look, but yeah. So thankfully I saved my receipts. I'm pretty good at saving my receipts, so I'll be taking this back. This was $10. Yeah, I'm very thankful that they're good about that. So yeah, I'll be taking this back and getting something else. Oh yeah, see, there's the other, the one that had that there. Ow, ouch! See those, the little spines are coming off easy because of the scales. Okay, well, and that's it, guys. Oh, let me show you my crown of thorns. Remember when I potted this? It is doing well over here. This only gets bright light, no direct sunlight. And yeah, here's some lizard poop right there. So lizard poop actually does mess up your plant, so you wanna make sure you remove that. But look, it looks very healthy and looks super happy here, so I'm really excited to see it here growing and doing well. Yep. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, guys. I appreciate you guys. You guys have a blessed day. Bye, guys.